Our first simple program. To start working in our program, we use the text editor brackets. So let's start working on our simple program right now. I want to create a variable called name and assign it with print to display on the screen to the user. Then put brackets and type input inside the brackets, which means to prompt the user to type something. And type another brackets and put a string signs with your name. Or you can put whatever you like. After that, I want to create another variable called age and assign it with print. Then open brackets and put input to prompt the user to type whatever they want. Then open another brackets and type what is your age. Finally, I want to display to the user thanks message. So type print and open brackets, string signs, and thank you for using my program. So now, save your work and try on terminal now and see what we did. Cool! Now enjoy with your Python program. Thanks for watching.